Hello students, today we are going to learn the advanced features of Excel. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Charts make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in a range. Charts provide more accurate analysis of information. When you insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called Data Sheet. Chart is updated automatically with the change in data. Time for fact file. In Microsoft Excel 2010, a file is saved with an extension .xlsx. Let us first discuss about components of a chart. The various components of a chart are as shown in the figure. Number 1. Chart area. The chart area includes all objects and elements in a chart. Number 2. Category axis. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. Number 3. Value axis. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. Number 4. Data series. Data series are the bars, slices or other elements that represent the data values. Number 5. Axis titles. These are the headings given to x-axis and y-axis. Number 6. Plot area. The plot area is a window within a chart area. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Number 7. Legend. It depicts the colors, patterns and symbols assigned to a data series. Number 8. Chart title. It describes the aim and contents of the chart. Number 9. Grid lines. These can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. They extend across the plot area of the chart. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand the values. Now let us discuss about commonly used chart types. Different types of charts are available in Excel. Some of the most commonly used charts are column chart. A column chart is a commonly used chart type to display data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to show changes in data over a period of time or comparisons among different data items. In a column chart, categories are organized along the horizontal axis and values along the vertical axis. Bar chart. This chart displays data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars, that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. A bar chart illustrates comparisons amongst the individual items. In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Line chart. This chart is in the form of lines. It is very similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on the x and y axis. A line chart uses connecting dots to display trends in data over a period of time. Pie chart. This chart displays data in the form of a circle that makes up a data series to the sum of items. It always shows only one data series and is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Let us learn how to create a chart. It is quite simple to create a chart in Excel. Follow these steps to create a chart. Create a new worksheet with the data as shown in the figure. Select the range A2 is to B7 including column titles and row labels to be displayed in the chart. Click on the Insert tab and go to the Charts group. Select the desired chart category, for example, column, and select the suitable chart subtype, for example, clustered column, from the display choices. The chart appears on your worksheet. The three tabs named Design, Layout, and Format appear under the Chart Tools category on the ribbon. These tabs contain options for editing and formatting the chart. Select the desired layout from the Chart Layout group on the Design tab and observe the changes. You can also click the More drop-down arrow in the Chart Layouts group to see all available layouts. Go to Chart Styles group. Click on the More button to view all styles and click on the desired style that you want to use. Observe the change. All the titles, data labels, legend, details mentioned in the selected data range will be displayed in the chart. If the selected range has no details about titles, labels, etc., we can insert these in chart by going to Layout tab and clicking on the desired button. To change the data range of your chart, right-click on the chart and click the Select Data from the shortcut menu. The Select Data Source dialog box appears. Click OK after making the desired changes. Okay students, let us take a quick view. To create a chart instantly, select the data that you want to present in the chart and then press F11 function key. It will create a chart in a new sheet tab named as Chart 1. Time for fact file. A chart is saved automatically when you save a workbook. To print a chart, follow the given steps. Select the chart sheet. Click on the File tab, then go to Print. Choose the Print Selected Chart option. Click on the Print button. Adding a chart title. Click on the chart and follow the given steps. Click on the Layout tab and select the chart title option in the Labels group. A list of options regarding the placement of chart title appears as shown in the figure. Click on the Centered Overlay Title or Above Chart option. A chart title text box appears. Type the text in it. After typing the title, click outside the chart. Likewise, you can also add excess titles to chart in the Layout tab. Okay students, now let us discuss about formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. We can format a chart by adding title, changing text, font, line, color, width, border, style, legends, data series, and so on. We can also change the numbers on value axis, height, or show grid lines, etc. Students, let us know more. To edit the contents of more than one sheet at a time, hold down Ctrl key while clicking the tabs of the sheets you want to edit and then modify the data. Alright, let me tell you how to change backgrounds, colors, and patterns. We can modify a chart by changing its color, pattern, and background. Right-click on the plot area and select the Format Plot Area option. The Format Plot Area dialog box appears. Select a suitable border style, border color, shadow, etc. as per your choice. Click on the Fill tab and select the Solid Fill Radio button. Select the Color button and choose the desired color from the drop-down menu. Click on the Close button and observe the change. Let us know more. Inserting picture. Click on the Insert tab, then go to Clip Art option. The Clip Art task pane appears. Type cars in the Search for text box. Click on Go button or press the Enter key. A list of clip art images related to cars will be displayed. Students know that similarly you can change the background of chart area. Let us now learn how to format the legend. Legend is a box that identifies the patterns or colors assigned to a data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. By default, legends appear at the right side of the chart. However, Excel offers 6 options to place the legend on the chart. You can place them anywhere as per your choice. We can format text, background, boundary, and color of a legend. Right-click on the legend boundary and select the Format Legend option, or simply double-click on the legend. The Format Legend dialog box will open. Select the border styles. Click the Dash Type drop-down list and select any style. Specify the width by clicking the spinner arrows in the Border Styles tab. Select the Border Color tab in the left pane and choose Solid Line Radio button. Select the desired color by clicking on the Color drop-down menu. To position the legend on the chart, select the Legend Options tab from the left pane. Select the bottom radio button from the displayed list. Click on the Close button. The legend will be placed at the bottom of the chart. Let us learn how to change the scale of value axis. An axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart or a column chart is created, it has an x-axis and a y-axis. We can, however, customize the scale to meet our needs and requirements. Follow these steps. Point the mouse at y-axis. Right-click on it and select Format Axis option from the shortcut menu. The Format Axis dialog box will open. Select the Axis Options tab. Click on the Fixed option for minimum and enter 20 in the text box. Similarly, enter 200 in the maximum text box. Click on the Close button. The chart will display the values between 20 and 200. Students, let us know more. In an Excel worksheet, you can move the chart anywhere in the worksheet and can also move to the other worksheets. Click on the Design tab, then go to Move Chart option in the Location group. A dialog box appears. Select the desired location for the chart. Either select the New Sheet or select Object in Option button. Click OK. The chart will appear in the new location. Students, note these related tips. Similarly, we can change the scale for x-axis. To insert a data label, right-click on the data series and choose Add Data Labels from the shortcut menu. Or select the Layout tab, Data Labels option in the Labels group. Alright, let us learn how to format the data series. We can format data series by changing the bar colors, lines, slices, and shifting its position. Let us follow these steps. Right-click on the data series. Select Format Data Series option from the shortcut menu. The Format Data Series dialog box will open. Click on the Border Styles tab. Select Type and Width of Border. Click on the Fill tab and choose the Picture or Texture Fill Radio button. Click on the Texture button and select any texture from the display choices. Click on the Shadow tab and select the desired format from the Presets drop-down menu. Click on the Close button. Students know that using the Layout tab, you can add and format the components of a chart such as chart title, axis titles, legend, data labels, data table, axis, grid lines, and plots. Let's understand about using Goal Seek. Goal Seek is a wonderful feature for fixing a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell. Follow these steps. Enter data in a worksheet. Calculate total and percentage as shown in the figure. Select the Data tab and click on the What If Analysis button in Data Tools group. Then select Goal Seek option. The Goal Seek dialog box will appear on the screen. In Set Cell, text box define the cell address E5 on which the Goal Seek is to be applied. In this box, always refer the cell that contains formula. Type the new value 150 as a result in To Value text box. Press the Tab key. Click on the cell D5 in a worksheet. The address will appear in by changing cell text box. Click on OK button. The Goal Seek Status dialog box appears on the screen displaying the target value 150 and current value 150. Click OK. Observe the change in cell D5. The number will change according to percentage you have defined. Let us now understand how to consolidate data. Consolidation refers to combining of data. We can combine data of various ranges either in the same worksheet or in the other worksheet. To consolidate data in a different worksheet, it is essential to group the worksheets. Press and hold down the Shift key and click on the Sheet 3 tab. Enter the main heading field name and common subheadings. Later on, ungroup them by right-clicking on any grouped sheet tab and selecting Ungroup Sheets option. Click on the Sheet 1 tab and enter the data as shown in the figure. Similarly, enter the data as given in figure in Sheet 2 of the same workbook. Click on the Sheet 3 tab, change the headings as shown in the figure and select the cell B5. Select the Data tab, then go to Consolidate option in the Data Tools group. The Consolidate dialog box appears. To calculate the total car sales in the first quarter of 2013 and 2014, select the Sum function from the list box if it is not selected. Click on the Collapse button in the reference text box. Click on the Sheet 1 tab and select the cell range from B5 is to D10. Click on the Add button. The cell reference will be added in all references text box. Click on the Collapse button of reference text box. Click on the Sheet 2 tab. Select the cell range B5 is to D10. Click on the Add button. Now click on OK button in Consolidate dialog box. Sheet 3 will show the consolidated data of first quarter sales of each car in the year 2014 and 2015. Save the file. Alright, now let us learn how to group worksheets. By default, 3 sheets are displayed in a workbook with the name Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. You can enter data in all 3 worksheets. The purpose of grouping the worksheets is to enter common data, formatting effects and formulas. Follow these steps to group the multiple worksheets. Create a new workbook. The Sheet 1 worksheet is active. Press and hold the Shift key. Click on the Sheet 3 tab. Release the Shift key. Note that all the 3 worksheets tabs have become white and the word Group appears in the title bar. It indicates that Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3 are grouped together. Enter the data in the grouped worksheet, Sheet 1. Format the heading by making it bold and increasing its font size to 18. Apply border around the heading, First Quarter Sales 2014. Select the row 3, increase the font size to 14 and give bold effect. Similarly, select column A and apply the same formatting effects. To ungroup the worksheet, click on any other sheet tab except Sheet 1 or right-click on any grouped sheet tab and select Ungroup Sheets option. All the 3 sheets will display the common data with formatting effects. Click the Sheet 2 tab and change the year to 2015. Similarly, change the heading to Consolidating First Quarter Sales 2014 to 2015 in Sheet 3. Save the worksheet with the name Multiple. Can you quickly reply, Quiz? How can we ungroup the worksheets? Students note that if you have entered data in sheet 1 before grouping the worksheets, then you will find the data entered earlier will not be reflected in other sheets. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Charts make it easier to draw comparisons, analyze growth and relationship among the values. We can change the chart type by clicking the Change Chart Type button on the Design tab. The chart area includes all objects and elements in a chart. The plot area is a window within a chart area. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category, and value axes. Data series are the bars, slices, or other elements that show data values. Legend is a key that is used to identify the colors, patterns, or symbols assigned to a data series. A pie chart displays data in the form of a circle. Goal Seek is a wonderful feature for fixing a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell. Sheets can be grouped together in a workbook. Consolidation refers to combining of data either in the same worksheet or in other worksheets.